Hey everyone, this is going to be my presentation. Alright, here we go. This is for the famous graphic designers, and let's get started with this. So this is Milton Glasser. He was born in June 26, 1929, about 90 years old. He attended the High School of Music and Art, the Cooper Union Art School in New York, and the Academy of Fine Arts in Bologna, Italy. He did create the famous I Heart New York logo. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have seen that frequently. He created the psychedelic Bob Dylan poster and the Brooklyn Brewery logo. He also received Nation Design Award in 2004 for Lifetime Achievement, and in 2009 National Medal of Arts, which was actually given to him by Obama. That's pretty cool. Here is some of his work that I listed before. It's the I Heart New York logo. This is the psychedelic Bob Dylan poster. This is the Brooklyn Brewery logo. Pretty cool. This is okay. Next one. Here's Chris Do. He was born in January 13th, 1986. He's an Emmy Award-winning director, designer, strategist, and educator. He hosts a YouTube channel with over 500,000 subscribers, and he hosts lectures on the business of creativity in his YouTube videos, usually. He's received a BFA from Art Center College of Design and Graphics / Packaging, and he's CEO, Chief Strategist of Blind, executive producer of the school, and the founder of The Future, which are online education platforms. Alright, and we're going to go on to some of his work that he's made, and this one's called Skate or Die. It's actually pop art. I think he made this for his website, The Future, for the educational platform, as well as this one. As you can see here, it says in small letters, thefuture.com. This one's called Law of Attraction, which is, I think this one's really creative, honestly, in my opinion. And then here are his company logos for his education platforms, Blind and The Future. Alright. Next we have Chip Kidd. He was born in September 12th, 1964. He's best known for his book covers and is one of the most famous book cover designers. Actually, it said on his biography that he was actually one of the most famous book cover designers to date, which is shocking, actually. I didn't know that. Designed some book covers for DC Comics, which he is a very big fan of. And he graduated from Penn State University. Alright, so here are 3 examples of his work. This is Watching the Watchmen. I don't know why at first I thought that was Batman, but I took a closer look and I'm like, okay. I mean, I don't really look at DC comics that much, so this one's just Watching the Watchmen. He designed this one. This is a random book cover. I believe he made some for someone. The Central Park 5 is the title, and here he made Jurassic Park. Yeah, so I think it's pretty cool that he made this one. Because I didn't even know that he designed a book cover for Jurassic Park. Alright, so there are the famous graphic designers, and sorry about that. And thank you all for watching this presentation.